It was a cold evening. The sky was grey. The wind was soft but sad. A young boy sat alone under a big tree near a quiet pond. His face was down. His eyes were full of tears. His small hands held a little book. His name was Jack. Jack was only 13, but he felt like he was 50. His heart was broken. His mom had just died. 2 years ago, he had also lost his dad. Now, he had no one to talk to. He was alone. But before his mom closed her eyes forever, she held his hand and said, Jack, take care of your sister. Take care of your brother. Promise me. Jack nodded that day. He said, I promise, Mom. Now, as he sat by the pond, he cried and cried. Why me? He asked the sky. Why so much pain? His small house was far from the city. They had no car, no phone, no TV, only love. But now, even love felt lost. Jack opened the little book in his hand. It was a diary, his mom's diary. She wrote about dreams. She wrote about love. She wrote about Jack. He held it close to his heart. From that day, Jack became a new person. He got up early. He washed clothes. He cooked food. He walked 5 miles every day to work on a farm. He earned only a few dollars, but it was enough for bread, milk, and rice. He made sure his younger sister and baby brother ate before him. Jack, don't you want to go to school? His sister asked one day. I do, he said with a soft smile, but you need food first. He gave up school, he gave up friends, he gave up play, he gave up love. A girl once gave him a flower and said, I like you. But Jack looked down and said, I can't love you. I have a promise to keep. Years passed. His hands got rough. His back hurt. He walked with pain. But he never stopped. He never cried in front of his brother or sister. Only at night, when they slept, he opened the diary and cried alone. The words in a diary were his only light. One day, Jack found an old book in the trash. It was an English book. What is this? He asked himself. He opened the book. He could not read much, but he kept it. Every night after work, after cooking, after washing, he looked at that book, one page at a time, one word at a time. He spoke to the mirror. Hello, my name is Jack. I am fine. I will not give up. He wrote the words in a notebook. Slowly, he learned more. He watched people speak on old phones at that market. He listened, he copied, he practiced. One day, a kind woman at the farm said, You speak good English. Who taught you? Jack smiled. A book, a mirror, and pen. She gave him a better job. He started teaching English to other people kids after work. He said, If I can learn, you can too. The small class grew. More children came. Jack told stories. He used kind words. He taught me love. He became their big brother. Then, one day, he got a letter. A rich school in the city heard about Jack. They wanted him to speak. They sent a car. When Jack stood in front of many people, he felt scared. But he closed his eyes. He remembered his mom's voice. He remembered his promise. He spoke from his heart. I was poor. I was lost. But I had love. I had pain. And I had a diary. I made a promise. And I kept it. You can too. People clapped. Some cried. Jack's name spread. He was asked to write a book. He wrote his full story. He called it The Powerful Diary. He got money. He bought a new house. He opened a school. He gave free classes to poor children. His brother became a doctor. His sister became a teacher. Jack never married. He said, "My family was my first love. My promise was my forever goal." One night, Jack sat under the same tree near the same pond. The moon was bright. He opened the old diary again. He whispered, "Mom, I did it. I kept my promise. I miss you, Mom." Tears rolled down his face, but they were soft tears, not of pain, but of peace. He looked at the stars and said, "If you are reading this, don't give up. Even when life is hard, even when you are alone, one promise can change your life. One diary can hold all your dreams." Then he looked at the camera for his new online class and said to the world, "Life is not easy, but pain is a teacher. If you have lost everything, you still have yourself. Start from there. Learn, teach, love, and never forget your promise." What is your promise? Will you keep it?